You know, a lot of people want to ask, why should I service my car under the manufacturer's specifications? You know, the manufacturer's maintenance schedule is there for a reason. First is that they've built a car. They know how long the fluids will last. You're going to get the fuel economy. It's going to drive better. You're going to have less breakdowns on the side of the road. And so you want to pay attention to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Once you go to sell the vehicle and it has been maintained through Darrell Waltrip Automotive on the manufacturer's schedule, you're going to have a higher resale value in the vehicle. You know, the manufacturer will stand behind your car a lot more if it's been serviced at a dealership and serviced under that manufacturer's specifications. They want a vehicle that was well serviced and well maintained. You know, that's our business here at Darrell Waltrip, is to make sure that we help you. We partner together to make sure that we maintain the vehicle. We make sure that any kind of manufacturer maintenance that needs to be done, that we're going to assure that it gets done for you. We want to make sure that you're not broke down on the side of the road.